Disabling two-factor authentication on your Movistar account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Movistar website or open the app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the section labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. This is where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the feature, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Movistar account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.